Hey folks, I'm Jennifer Lau. I'm a master gardener at English Gardens in Royal Oak, Michigan. Last week, I probably had a dozen inquiries on the aloe vera plant. You've probably seen one of these before, I'm guessing on someone's kitchen windowsill. It's no coincidence. It's in the kitchen for a reason. How many times has it happened that we've given ourselves a nasty burn at the stove? Probably in a hurry, multitasking, crazy humans that we are. Oh, we'll put it underneath the cold faucet when it happens, that burn spot, but it's never as long as we know we should, is it? No. And then you get that tender heat spot that reminds you, you didn't take care of me like you should have, and then you know it's too late. This is why this plant is here. Break off a piece of the stem. See this gooey gel inside? You rub it all over that burn spot. Next, get a paper towel and place that piece of aloe on there because you're going to need to keep applying it several times throughout the day, or days depending on how badly you burned yourself. And so you know, you've broken it off here from the main plant. It's going to continue to ooze a little bit, so you just kind of squeeze it shut. This cauterizes it. So this is why they call this the medicine plant. Some people use it all over their skin for certain conditions. You might even drink a concoction for certain gut issues. It's a good, handy plant to have. Listen, I want you to keep the aloe plant near a window if you can. Within a couple of feet is best. Like all desert plants, they are pretty resilient to periods of unkind conditions, but they're not resilient to a lot of water. Nope, desert plants won't or really can't adapt to that kind of a strange condition. So, something this size, you water it, maybe half a cup of water every week or two. You want to see it drain out of the bottom. This is not something that you want to have that doesn't have a drain hole. Worst thing in the world for desert plants. They cannot handle swampy conditions. It'll just flop over. So just don't do it, okay? Now, this larger size, you want to water it even less often. You see, more wet soil takes longer to dry out. So this one gets watered well, but maybe once every few weeks. Just always stick your finger in halfway. You want it as dry as a desert before it rains again. Make sense? Now you know how to care for your aloe vera, the medicine plant. Easy and useful. You can do this. Make life beautiful.